This is a flea market find. Just actually, I didn't even find this. My wife bought it for me. I thought it was. She thought it was cool. Oh no, wait, that's the other thing. Sorry, I found this. She found the other thing. And this, I'm actually gonna make a video and try this because, I mean, I just look at this and I get hungry. See this? It's a meat chopper. I don't even know who makes it. I think it's just some cheap. There's no name on it. It's a. I would like to make another handle for it. I should, I don't know, clean this thing off. It's a meat tenderizer and a little hatchet. The only reason why I'm making the video is my question is this is probably, I don't know what, 30 years old. I know that this is not a 90s thing. Definitely not an 80s thing. It's cast iron. It's no name. Maybe it is newer. It's got a blade that looks like it's probably, I don't know, soldered in there, glued in there. I don't know how the hell it's. Maybe it's screwed from the back. But anyway, the blade. At what point, like, what do you do? Do you like use this for rabbits, or do you buy a slab of beef and start going apples? You know, Jeffrey Dahmer. I don't know. Like who the hell? I mean, I'm sure somebody could use this, like, you know, chopping steaks up because they invented the bandsaw for cutting meat. Who the hell you like? Anybody like? Is anybody on this channel or on YouTube actually used one of these in real life? This side I can understand. You're tenderizing meat, you know, because you bought the cheap cut. You're just like, in fact, I bought what is it? I went to the local grocery store up the road and I bought a piece of mechanically tenderized meat. Don't get me wrong, it was nice and tender, but it tasted like mush. It was like, ugh, this is gross. So I don't know who, like, even Costco says all their meats are mechanically tenderized. Like, why? Because you're selling crap? Selling cheap meat? So yeah, this is my little tomahawk. I don't know, I can do the tomahawk. I can do the old racist tomahawk chop. Oh, whatever. My hair's itchy. Mosquitoes keep biting me in the head. So I'm gonna probably polish the blade. Maybe, I don't like the handle, even though it's mostly because it does this. The handle looks like it needs a... They put one of those little squiggly. That's not the right thing in there. See that little squiggly thing? That's for like holding wood together. That's not a... Yeah, I should take this out somehow. Maybe I'll make a new handle. Next project. If I had a place to do sanding, I could just take a piece of oak and I want to put a bigger handle. Something big and beefy. But yeah, I think it was like 50 cents. When I go camping in the summer, there's always pretty cool deals on tools. They're like, oh, I'll take it for $1, and I buy all kinds of. I haven't done it since the pandemic or before or whatever. I just get all kinds of tools at garage sales, and there hasn't been any lately. We missed half of them. It's like everything's picked clean, and I haven't really searched for any more tools because that thing's full, and there's tools on the floor. And after a while, I mean, I know people like pack buildings with tools. I don't. I try to find like cool stuff, old stuff that is cool, but I won't buy 72. Let me back up there. I will buy 72 vice grips, but I will not buy 72 of these, or buy. I mean, like, it's some people. I understand there's collectors and there's hoarders. I'm a cross between both. Don't quote me on that. I'll tell my wife. In fact, I have a sign somewhere here. It says, what do you call it? Buying tools is not hoarding or something. It's not hoarding, it's collecting. Here it is. Here's a sign. Right here. It's true. Oh. Yeah, it's true. Anyway. You get the message. Thanks for watching, Doodles, and I will make a video of me smashing a piece of meat with this. I'll make sure it's dead first before I use this side. Chop some bones up. Or maybe I could try to axe throw it. Whatever. You'll see. Thanks for watching, Toodles.